Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dia Ayu Deblan Suci. I'm from English Education Study Program at the Islamic University of Majapahit. In here, I will presentation about quantitative research. The quantitative research, there are two, and the first, experimental research. Experimental research is the most comprehensive quantitative research approach in the sense that it fulfills all the requirement for testing causal relationship. And experimental research can also be defined as an objective, systematic, and controlled study to predict or control phenomena. According to Davis, 2004, experimental research is based on the assumption that the world of work is according to causal laws. These laws are essentially linear, although complicated and interactive. The purpose of this study is to examine the causal relationship. Characteristic of experimental research, there are three. The first, manipulated independent variables, and the second, other variable that may have an effect or control to remain constant. The third, the effect or influence of manipulation of the independent variable, and the independent variable is observed directly by the researcher. Is non-experimental research. Experimental research is one in which the research variable are not controlled or manipulated. To develop the research, the author observe the phenomena to be studied in their natural environment, obtain data directly to analyze them later. And then, according to Johnson and Christensen, 2040, non-experimental research is a systematic empirical investigation in which scientists do not have direct control over the independent variable because their manifestation have occurred, or even because the variable under study cannot be manipulated inherently. Types of non-experimental research. Quantitative descriptive research. The research is a study that aims to explain the exciting phenomena by using number to compare individual or group characteristic, according Samsudin and Damayanti, 2011. And then ex post facto research. Ex post facto research examine causal relationships that are not manipulated or treated, designed, and implemented by the researcher. Research or causal relationship is carried out on program activities or events that have taken place or have occurred. Okay, the conclusion about my presentation is many researchers consider the distinction between experimental and non-experimental research to be very important. This is partly due to the fact that experimental study can accommodate manipulation of independent variables, which Pilsen study cannot. Therefore, as a researcher interested in using either experimental or non-experimental research, it is important to understand the difference between this experimental research or non-experimental research help determine what is a good way to perform a particular task. Okay, I think enough. Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you for your watching and listening my video. My audios we have shall be beneficial for all us. Thank you very much for your attention and stay safe, stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.